Of your new police state.
I voted in favor of Marcy's law, and what that does is it puts it on the ballot for all of you to have your vote. And when I go to the ballot box in November, my vote will be equal to yours. So let me tell you why I supported this as a constitutional amendment to put it on the ballot. The question in the Senate, and why a few people didn't vote for it, is because they felt that putting those increased or updated protections in statute was just fine, and that we didn't need to send it to the people for a vote as a constitutional amendment upgrade to what's already there. But I think the people should have a voice in it, and so I voted to pass this on to the ballot box so that everyone can have a choice.
If you got a pencil and paper, a couple things you might want to review. There's the Constitution of the State of Idaho, Article 1, Section 1, the Declaration of Rights. And Senator Sousa said it in a nutshell, the last sentence in that, it's only a couple paragraphs, but nor shall any law permit the confiscation of firearms except those actually used in the commission of a felony. So she talked about stuff you see in the internet and media and stuff. Check it and to see if on those advertisements there's a donate button, because if there is, there's people making money off this.
So I don't take amending the Constitution lightly. We have a crime victims provision. And the example I used in committee was, we have, and we just talked about, Article 1, Section 11 of our Constitution talks about your right to keep and bear arms. We do not go in and amend that right when we think something has not been defined properly. I have been part of laws to expand concealed carry to all Idaho citizens, in cities, out of cities. I have been part of laws that required universities to allow concealed carry on their campus. Last year I worked on laws to expand and better define our castle doctrine and our stand your ground laws. I have worked on laws on all of these issues. We have never gone in to amend the Constitution. The Constitution gives a right to crime victims, and I believe that right is well enough defined that we can make the rest of these changes by statute.
All the things I find strange, or I know